Gates open. They're up and racing. Constantinople throws 40 on it. Running in second is Charlotte. Moving up, Blue Jazz alongside. Ace Bow Ties and Charms running down the inside is Humidity. Moving up, Silver Valley. Ariel. Then moving up is Mapagpala Subra. Next in line is Flash of Rose and Chachamia is the early trailer. Inside a half mile, a solo leader. That's Constantinople. Leads by about 2 lengths. Trying to get close now in second is Blue Jazz and Sobas Bow Ties and Charms. Sue Ariel now running in fourth, but it's still Constantinople, Blue Jazz, Bow Ties and Charms. Ariel now trying to get close now in fourth, and so as Mapagpala moving up now to take the pass. They race the last 400. And it's still Constantinople moving up by the Lawis. Mapagpala is sneaking in down on the inside. Bunch of entries are fighting it out for the lead. There belongs to Mapagpala. Constantinople fighting back and hitting the finish line. Mapagpala, Constantinople once again, and finally close between Constantinople, Mapagpala. Then comes number 9, Charlotte and Bow Ties and Charms.
Close for first between Constantinople and number 8, Mapagpala. Tercero, 9, Charlotte. Panurin natin muli.